It's day 2 of transforming an egg carton into ocean animals that you can hang all year round or on a coastal Christmas tree. Yesterday, we made a jellyfish, and today the animal is sea stars or starfish. Are you ready to get creative? Let's do this. I've made a stencil for you to make it a little bit easier. You can find out how to download it in the description below. You can cut the rays or the arms as long or as short as you want. So this one, I left them longer, and this one, I wanted to see what it would look like if I cut them shorter. So it's up to you. You could leave it just as it is, or if you want to hang it, here's how I did it. So here's how mine came out. Whatever colors and textures you want, have fun with this. If you can't get enough of sea stars, like I can't, then you definitely want to check out my Lagoons Low Tide Adventure course. It's a virtual paddle tour, and then we also dive deeper into sea stars and their anatomy, and we make salt dough starfish or sea stars. So definitely check that out. I'll put the link in the description below. And I'll see you tomorrow for my next ocean animal. In the meantime, you can get caught up with our jellyfish ornament. Are you wondering what animal we're gonna do tomorrow? I can't wait to share it.